Hey guys, so today I'm fishing. I know this is my first fishing video. I caught a fish a couple seconds ago, or minutes, I don't know. But there's a lot of turtles. Hold on. Okay, I just put it out there. Guys, like this video if you heard that. Bro, the turtle's tricking me. He ran up against the... Hold on, let me check if I still have some. No, come on. Come on, there. Oh, I got robbed. It's a lovely day out here. One fish already on the hook today, but that was off camera. Off camera, I caught not big, but a perch. Perch or bluegill, whatever you want to call it. And if I catch one, I will. Cheese you, Popo. Ow. I need to go pee so bad, but I can't because I'm fishing. Okay, I'll take you guys. And you get one? Robbed? Okay, let's go.
A while longer, bud.
I know. The turtles have been tricking us. So many stupid dragonflies. Maybe they all went to bed.
We're still nibbling.
Just a little though. Oh, I had something on.
Jesus.
Am I bare? Hold on. Gonna see if I got robbed. Yep, robbed. I keep getting robbed. Ugh. Brr. Guys, if you would have saw... Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can put you somewhere where you can see me. So if I catch a... Ooh. I'm getting some hot dog. Hot dog. I don't know if that's the Mickey Mouse song, the hot dog Mickey Mouse song, but I don't know. Okay, let's go. I'll put another brother from another mother. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. And let's go. Hold on, I'm gonna put you guys down. Ooh. Got something?
Yep.
My dad got something.
That's a good one.
Jeez, that's a big one. Wow. Jeez. Oh.
Good perch.
Yeah, that's a good perch.
Hey, don't start with me, little fish.
Found a cricket a couple minutes ago. That idiot. Oh, did he jump off?
No, I just would hold still.
No, but still got some on. Saw something dashing across and biting.
That was a good one.
Yeah, shoot. No.
It's okay, bud. Just gotta leave it. Just leave it. It's okay.
I think I put a little too big of a piece on. Jeez, guys. It's getting dark. You can see me because I have a bright shirt on. But I'm gonna see if I can catch a fish by doing this.
With that phone, man.
I know. Something's on. No, but still got some worm on. Robbed. I'm just gonna leave you guys here and I'm gonna go get a new. Oh, jeez, it's getting dark. Fast. I'm back, y'all.
We hit him right sweet the magic hour. And then they were like, all right, we had enough hot dog. We're going to bed.
I only caught a tiny fish.
It's okay. I can see it out there.
I can see it. It's harder to see mine right now, but it's easier to. Oh, shoot. Yours is gone. Did I get robbed? Robbed? Hey. Robbed. Did I get robbed? Yeah, you got robbed. Why are both of our names robbed?
All right, buddy. Last cast.
Huh?
Said last cast.
Aw, man.
Sorry, bro. It's dark.
The only thing I caught.
The good news is that it smells like fish, so we know they're out here. Like I said, they might have just said, hey, we're going to bed. putting your tackle away, okay?
Okay. I almost caught something.
Yeah?
Yeah. Something bit it.
Oh, saw it. Okay, let's get going, bud.
Okay.
Thank you. Will you flip the lever up for me?
Yeah. You're bringing out so much line.
Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Pop it back in. Reel it for me.
Oh, shoot.
I got the hook. Don't worry. Okay. You got a tangle again.
What? Should we just feed some of it to the fish?
Okay, come on, bud. Pause your video. Pause your video. And you can throw the rest of that hot dog out there for our friends.
Okay, guys, I'll see you next time, and bye.